Yes, the number of electrons can change without changing the element because adding or removing electrons makes charged particles called ions, while the nucleus, which defines the element, stays the same. Think of an atom like a small solar system where the nucleus is the sun and the electrons are planets orbiting around it. The nucleus has a fixed number of protons, which decides what element the atom is, like carbon or oxygen, and that never changes unless you change the nucleus itself. Electrons can be lost or gained during chemical reactions or when atoms interact, and when that happens, the atom becomes an ion with a positive or negative charge. For example, sodium can lose one electron to become a positively charged sodium ion, while chlorine can gain one electron to become a negatively charged chloride ion. Those changes in electron count affect how atoms stick together and how they behave chemically, but the identity of the element remains tied to the nucleus. A common mistake is thinking that changing electrons turns one element into another, when actually only changing protons does that. The quick fix is to remember that protons equal the element name. Another confusion is believing ions are unstable and short-lived in all situations, but many ions are quite stable in solutions or solids. The practical tip is to consider the environment, like salt dissolved in water, where ions are stable. Some students mix up electrons and energy levels and try to remove electrons without enough energy, so remember electrons require specific energy changes to move, and experiments or reactions provide that energy. Check out www.gumballdegree.com to find more videos and resources about atoms, ions, and how electrons affect chemical behavior.